feel like you need something special but don't feel like spending much money or doing any work? You've come to the right place. Hello and welcome to the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen. If one humdrum hot day is starting to seem like the next and you crave something special, we have just the thing. Special cheese rolls from 1956's Cooling Dishes for Hot Weather. But first, it's cocktail time, and today's drink is a sensation. The Sensation Cocktail from 1947's Bartender's Guide by Trader Vic. To make this lovely libation, all you do is combine 1 ounce of gin, 1/2 ounce fresh lemon juice, 3 dashes of maraschino liqueur, and 3 sprigs of mint. Shake with ice and strain into a cocktail glass. Okay, I'm ready for some special snacks to go with my sensational cocktail. One of the most special things about special cheese rolls is that they're so easy to assemble that, if necessary, you could do it totally inebriated. To make them, all you do is combine 4 ounces of crumbled blue cheese, 3 ounces softened cream cheese, 2 tablespoons pineapple juice, 2 teaspoons Worcestershire sauce, 1/2 teaspoon MSG, 1 tablespoon parsley, and 1 teaspoon finely chopped onion. Trim crusts from slices of bread and flatten bread with a rolling pin. Spread with cream cheese mixture and roll up. Carefully cut into 3 sections per bread roll. Place on waxed paper and wrap and chill before serving. See? Nothing to it. Now go out there and have a special day. Thank you for visiting the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen, and an extra special thank you to our Patreon patrons. Be sure to join us Monday for a visit from Cousin Glendora, and don't forget to join us Thursday for another Liquored Up Live broadcast. It's always happy hour at the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen.